Every autumn, as the night sky sparkles with lamps and the air fills with the scent of sweets and incense, millions of homes across India celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights. But beyond the fireworks and festivities lies something deeper: stories of faith, courage, love, and victory. Diwali is not just one story, it's many stories woven through the tapestry of Indian mythology. From Rama's return to Ayodhya to Krishna's victory over Narakasura, from Lakshmi's emergence to Mahavira's enlightenment, every tale reminds us that light always triumphs over darkness. Let's uncover the ancient legends that gave birth to Diwali.
1. The return of Lord Rama, the light of Ayodhya. The most beloved legend of Diwali comes from the Ramayana. After 14 years of exile, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya with his wife Sita and his brother Lakshman. During those years, he had defeated the mighty demon king Ravana, who had abducted Sita. His return marked not just the end of exile, but the victory of righteousness over arrogance, devotion over desire. As Rama, Sita, and Lakshman crossed the river Saryu, the people of Ayodhya welcomed them with rows of clay lamps, diyas that shone brighter than the stars. The kingdom rejoiced, singing and dancing through the night. Rama's coronation as king marked the restoration of dharma, moral order. Since that night, every home in India lights diyas to remember the moment darkness was dispelled by truth and light. But even before Rama's return, there was another story, one of divine beauty, wealth, and purity. The birth of the goddess of prosperity, Lakshmi. 2. The birth of goddess Lakshmi, the ocean's gift. Long before the Ramayana, the gods and demons once joined forces to churn the cosmic ocean, the Samudra Manthan. They sought Amrita, the nectar of immortality. For days and nights, the ocean rumbled as mountains turned and serpents hissed. From its depths emerged treasures beyond imagination, celestial beings, divine jewels, and at last, the radiant goddess Lakshmi. Her presence brought peace to the heavens. The lotus bloomed wherever she stepped. She chose Lord Vishnu as her eternal consort, symbolizing the bond of wealth with preservation, prosperity with order. To this day, the night of Diwali, the Amavasya of Kartik month, is devoted to her worship. Homes are cleaned, lamps are lit, and prayers are offered for her blessings. Traders begin their new year, believing that where there is purity and gratitude, there Lakshmi dwells. Yet in the southern lands of India, Diwali dawns with another victory, not of Vishnu, but of Krishna. The slaying of Narakasura, Krishna's dawn of freedom. In another corner of myth, Diwali celebrates the fall of a tyrant. Narakasura, the demon king of Pragjotishpur, had become a terror to gods and mortals alike. He imprisoned thousands of celestial maidens and grew drunk on his power. Lord Krishna, accompanied by his consort Satyabhama, rode into battle against him. After a fierce fight, Krishna slew Narakasura with the Sudarshana Chakra, freeing the captives and restoring peace. As the demon fell, he begged for one last wish, that his death be celebrated with lights and joy. Krishna granted it. Thus, the day before Diwali, Naraka Chaturdashi, marks the cleansing of evil and the dawn of a brighter day. In southern India, homes are decorated, all baths are taken, and lamps are lit at Sunrise, celebrating the victory of truth and liberation. But Diwali is not only about divine battles. In the great epic of the Mahabharata, it also marks the return of heroes. The return of the Pandavas, the lamps of welcome. After losing everything in a deceitful game of dice, the 5 Pandav brothers and their wife Draupadi spent 12 years in exile and 1 year in disguise. When their exile ended, they returned home on the Amavasya night of the Kartik month. Their people, overjoyed to see them again, welcomed them with rows of lamps, celebrating their resilience and faith. Since then, it is said that lamps are lit to mark the triumph of patience, endurance, and the return of justice. The story reminds us that even after darkness and loss, hope can be rekindled, and truth eventually finds its way home. And in yet another story, Diwali honors not just gods or heroes, but a humble and righteous king, Bali, the devotee of Vishnu himself, King Bali and Lord Vaman, the gift of humility. In the Vishnu Purana, there lived a benevolent demon king named Bali, wise, charitable, and loved by his people. His generosity was so great that even the gods began to fear his growing power. To restore balance, Lord Vishnu took the form of a small Brahman boy, Vaman. He approached King Bali and asked for a simple gift, 3 steps of land. Bali laughed and agreed. But suddenly, Vaman grew to cosmic size. With 1 step he covered the heavens, with the second, the earth. When there was no space left, Bali offered his own head for the 3rd step. Vishnu, moved by his humility, granted Bali immortality in the underworld and allowed him to visit his people once a year. In southern India, this day is celebrated as Bali Padyami or Govardhan Puja, honoring devotion and selflessness. Across centuries, Diwali's light has crossed not just kingdoms, but religions, touching hearts beyond Hindu mythology. The spiritual Diwalis, Jain, Sikh, and Buddhist traditions. In Jainism, Diwali marks the day Lord Mahavir, the 24th Tirthankar, attained nirvana, liberation from the cycle of birth and death. The lamps symbolize the light of his eternal knowledge. For Sikhs, Diwali coincides with Bandi Chhor Divas, the day Guru Hargobind Ji was freed from imprisonment along with 52 kings. The Golden Temple shines with thousands of lamps, celebrating freedom and faith. In Nepal, Buddhists of the Newar community celebrate Tihar, honoring not just gods but animals, crows, dogs, cows, each representing gratitude and harmony with all life. From Rama's return to Krishna's victory, from Lakshmi's blessing to Mahavir's enlightenment, Diwali is more than a festival. It's a reminder that light is not just around us, it is within us. As long as we keep faith, compassion, and truth alive, no darkness can ever last. This Diwali, may your heart shine with that eternal light.
This is Divinity Decoded, where mythology meets meaning. If you enjoyed this journey through the stories of Diwali, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tales from the divine.